So I will create a game using Flutter Flame. The game that I make is farming simulator like Stardew Valley. The game is called Sprout Lane. Yeah, but I'm gonna use this asset package. I think this is more complete. That animation and environment. The important is tile set, and also they have the foraging item. Yeah, for the asset, they have two version, the free and premium. But I will use the premium version because I already buy. And if you want to try, you can download the free version. And then I will use the UI expansion also. This is for uh, design menu game, and then the toolbox, and yeah, this is maybe for decoration is also good. Yeah, I've already buy for premium version. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's go create the Flutter project. Road Valley. The Flutter version that I use is the latest. I think the latest is 3.35 and point 1. Yeah. Okay, this is already create, and then I'm gonna open in Visual Studio. I mean Android Studio. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Why is so long? I'm gonna check. Uh, so in this project, I will add the dependency of Flutter. Oh, I'm sorry, Flame, and then I will add the Flame tile also, and then I will create a directory called asset, and then in asset I will create directory images. Okay, and then you have to register the asset folder called assets, and then images. Okay, it's enough. And then for setup project, I will remove this homepage, and this is also, and this. I'm gonna set this Sprout Valley, and then for banner, and then I will set false. Okay, let's go create a Sprout Valley. This class contain the extend the flame game. So flame game, I already forgot to public first. This is will download the dependency. It's also complete, and we need to import and then go to the main. So this is will fill with a game widget. Yeah, this game widget is also had required parameter. We'll put the Sprout Valley class game. So in this class, I will create object build context. I will use in material class, and then I will name in build game context. And also I have to create method to init with build context. This is this game context. Oops. Oh, I think we need to write the parameter, and then game context is context, and then we'll add this. Uh, we will call. This broad game with init with context and passing the context. Okay, this is for setup, and then we will run first. Okay, this is the flame game. So we need to stop, and then we'll continue to the other step. Okay, next we will create a word. So this is I will create a folder. It's called scene, and then I will create a folder inside is words, and then I will create a Dart file class called farm word. Yeah, class farm word. Extend word is use the component, and then back to the class Proth Valley. We will create a skull LED camera component, and then a router component, because I will use the router for change between words. Skull router, and then we call onload method. So I'm gonna use async, and then create method load router word. Uh, oops, async, and then I'm initial the camera component. So just create an object, and then for the router is router component. Uh, for initial route, I'm gonna put in button, and then for the roads, I'm gonna add the form is type of road word. Word, word. I think word. Road. Yeah. This is will return must return a word. So I will create object form word form word, right, and then the camera component is assigned to form word and then return form word. Okay, this is nice. And then the maintain create I'm gonna set is to false. Yeah, for initial road I'm gonna use the form. Oops, the form. Okay, and then I will add all the object is camera component and then router. All right. Next I will create the constants variable. I think I'm gonna create a folder is called models. Oops, models, and then constants. Yeah, I'm gonna create the it's called the I'm gonna create the tile size. I'm gonna put and value is 16 and then const double and then the word scale. I'm gonna put this 4 and then the word tile size is tile size multiply by word scale. Yep, I think this enough. And then I'm gonna create also the rendering render priority. For this, I'm gonna create class render priority, and then I'm gonna create variable static counts integer, and I'm gonna put from to 100, and then for the player is I think 200 is enough. Yeah. Okay, for the constant variable, I think this is enough. So next step is we make a character player character sprite, and then we will export the asset pack that I show you a rear, and then we create an animation too. Okay, see you in the next video.